Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've landed at the right place. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online prop tech service. What exactly is a prop tech service? A prop tech service is the place where you can do virtual site visits. Now, what are virtual site visits? Virtual site visits are something wherein what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to the property right over here on your mobile screen, on your computer screen, and also I'm going to show you the whole property. I'll also show you the sample flat if it is ready, and I'll show you all the details. I'll tell you where it is located. I'll tell you everything about the property right over here at the convenience of a house. And then once you like the property, then I'll also provide you with a free pickup and drop service with your own dedicated relationship manager. And then you will do the physical site visits once you have shortlisted the properties that you have liked over here on Property Cloud. Iske baad what we do is that we connect you directly to the developer so that there are no middlemen involved, and then there is also no brokerage involved. So you also get to see your favorite home on your computer screen. You get to decide your dream home, you get to buy it, go through the whole booking process and everything. Absolutely zero brokerage at the convenience of your time and the convenience of your house. Now all of this, if this is not enough, then let me tell you something more about Property Cloud, but I'm going to tell that to you at the end of this video. First of all, let me tell you where we have come today. Let's go. Adding prestige to your life. Right now, I am at Thanisandra and we are going to take a look at the project which has exclusive apartments, and the name of the project is Prestige Camden Garden, redefining luxury in Thanisandra. Wait for all the details. I'm just going to go inside and tell you everything that's here. Let's go. And this is a total land parcel of approximately 1.7 acres, which will have only premium 3 and 4 BHK boutique residences. And these are going to be only limited edition apartments. Now, why am I calling them boutique apartments and why am I saying exclusive? Well, there's a reason. People in Thanisandra have been asking for a couple of things which they have particularly taken care of, like 2 different balconies, 1 open utility balcony, larger than life-size windows, and also they have not kept any apartment on the ground floor. Now let me explain you this project. Here you can already see that this ground floor is going to be full of amenities, the clubhouse and all internal amenities are going to be on the ground floor. So all the amenities have been kept on the ground floor. This is the internal amenities that you can see, like the clubhouse, the billiards table, the internal gymnasium. And this side of the buildings is going to be off the road for the cars. Now let's move towards the amenity part, the open amenities. Here you can see the open amenities, the gymnasium, the swimming pool, and also the tennis court. Now let's move towards more external amenities. From the main road here, we take a turn and we move towards the other external amenities, which will be a jogging track, and there will be a senior citizen sit-out area, a pathway, also a children's play area, and there's going to be an additional children's play area in another corner as well. Now let's move towards the location part. So here we are entering the house. This is the main entrance of the house and this is your living and dining area. Now before I tell you more about the living and dining area, let's check out the other entrance of the house. This from here is your either the maid's room, or it can also be converted into your workroom because they are going to give us AC points in both the rooms. Here is the kitchen from where you just saw, and let's come back to from the kitchen to the utility area. Now this place that you see has a balcony. This is an open utility area which comes with all electrical and plumbing points as well. Let's head back to the kitchen now and move back to the living and dining area. Now if you can notice this part over here, this is the complete balcony, the standing out deck and the balcony area, whose window is connected from the guest bedroom as well. I'm going to show this to you in detail. Coming back to your living and dining, let's take a look at the common areas. This over here is your common washroom and your bathroom, and it comes with a glass shower partition as well. Now this over here is your guest bedroom. The bedroom flooring has changed and it becomes a wooden flooring right over here. And this bedroom also comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here. This also comes with a glass shower partition. Now let's come back to your common area and move towards the next bedroom. This over here is your guest bedroom, and over here is the entrance to the next bedroom as well. So now this one over here comes again with a very big window. All the bedrooms come with really big windows, and this one also comes with an attached toilet and wash over here, and also a glass shower cubicle that has been placed in each and every bathroom. Now let's go back to the entrance and take a look at the beautiful and grand master bedroom. Now this is your master bedroom over here, which comes with this walk-in wardrobe and also an attached washroom right over here, which comes with your glass shower cubicle as well. Let's come out once again and take a look at your walk-in wardrobe. This is the master bedroom, and one thing that you should not miss out is this particular area. Now this is your third balcony of the house. As I had promised you, there are going to be 3 balconies in the house and also completely big sized windows. So the house in itself is a boutique apartment, as you saw, and I'm sure now you want to know some more details like about the booking process or how can you visit the site. Stay with me and I'm going to tell you how that happens. Now that you've seen the property and you have come back over here, I am sure that's because you need to know how to go ahead with the booking process. Just a second, I'm going to tell you. It's very simple. If you can see the caption, in the caption there is a link mentioned. All you need to do is simply click on the link and we will guide you through the rest of the process. How? Well, our salesperson will get in touch with you immediately and then help you do a physical site visit of the property with a free cab service. And then not just one, you can also visit multiple properties in one day so that you don't have to waste your time. Now this is Bengaluru and we know the traffic, so we don't want to waste your time. We don't want to waste your energy. In fact, we want you to buy your house at ease, simply and without any brokerage also. So that's what we are here for. Property Cloud is at your service. All you need to do is simply click on the link below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such beautiful properties. Thank you.